Today, my granddaughters and I are making fig jam. That relates to gardening, doesn't it? Well, it did when I had my fig tree. We had to buy these. So anyway, they have cut up the figs, and now they're mashing them. And then we add sugar, and we add strawberry jello. So it'll be really interesting to see how this turns out. I know it's going to be super good. Fig jam day. Okay, now they're gonna add the sugar. Now I should have told you that it was how many pounds of figs, girls?
4.
4 pounds of figs. We have doubled the recipe. And then it's gonna be 4 cups of sugar. And then we're gonna do 2 of these jellos. And they are the 6 ounce, I think, I don't know. Let's see here. Oh, it says 3 ounce. I don't think we have enough jello. Oh well, we'll make it work. Now we're transferring it to the pan. We have to let it come to a boil, and then it will, once it does that, then we have to stir it for 6 to 8 minutes constantly at that medium bowl. So both girls are doing this. We had to use a jello that was sugar-free, so we're hoping that that still works okay. Okay, we're all getting a turn at stirring.
She's a devil.
Now we're doing the final step where we put it in some smaller jars and then some larger jars, and we're going to put the lids on. You want to make sure this is clean so that the lid can seal. And then we're going to put it over on the rack over there.